Hi, I'm Grace, and today I'm going to be showing you how to apply false lashes and how to measure them out. So first things first, you're going to want to have your lash. And I just take one to start. I just have these ones here. And then basically what I do is I put them onto my lash. Okay, so once it's on your lash line, you'll be able to see where it's too long. So you're just gonna wanna look and see how many steps in you might have to cut off. So it looks like for me, I'm gonna have to cut off about 3. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my clippers to do that. So you can either start clipping from this end, or you could clip from this end. I'm gonna clip from this one. And see, there's 1, 2, 3, there's different little steps in there. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm just gonna clip at about the 3rd one. And then you just have this little set right here. Right? So now you're left with your lash. And then all I do is I take this lash and then I measure it out to this one. So you just kind of take them and you set them one by one on top of each other, like so. And then what I do is I take and I clip right where I had clipped the previous one. So I clip that one off. And then you have both your lashes that are the same size, just like so. And then we go into the putting them on process. What I do is I actually like the Duo. It's the adhesive for the lash. I don't put very much on because I feel like less is more. I feel like if you put too much on, it's gonna take too long for it to dry, and then you're ending up with it popping up all the time, and then it could ruin your wing or whatever you got going on. So I just put a little bit. So as you can see, I'll show you right here. Focus. Just like so. And then I blow on it. I blow on it to try and get it to dry. So the next step after it's dried a little bit is we're gonna take it and we're gonna try and get it as close as we can to the natural lash line. And you're just gonna try to work it from this corner in. So that's what I'm gonna do. Stick it on like so. You kind of push down as you go. And then what I do is I kind of pull down to my natural lash like so. And you want to do this after you've already applied mascara to your natural lashes. Alright, and then that's pretty much it for putting on the lash. Generally what I would do after that is I would get mascara and I would kind of feather it out into that and kind of add some to the fake lash. Yeah, that's how you put on the false lash, and now I'm just gonna do the other eye. So let's put this other lash on. And as you're putting them on, you wanna look at your other lash and making sure that you're putting it on about the same width on to the inner corner as the other side. And kind of put the other ones, my natural lashes, into the fake ones. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my take on putting on false lashes. That's just the way I find easiest. So if you did like this video and would like more tutorials on how to do different things, just leave it in the comments below. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. And thank you for watching and sticking around. And yeah, we will talk to you guys next time. Bye.